recording. What's up, YouTube? This is Cosmic Marco here. We're at Micro Center right now. If you can see in the back right there, Micro Center. We're gonna build Vincent a PC, his first PC. So it's actually pretty ridiculous right now. So we did the reservation online where we bought the stuff, and we got here and there's a line, and it's to get. Well, it's pretty cool, I guess. Like, but there's a bunch of people. So there's 179 people ahead of us. They have like this texting thing set up, so when we're next in line, they're gonna send us a text. Yeah, so we're in our car waiting right now. So yeah, it's pretty lit. So right now when they call us, we're gonna go in. We're gonna pick up all the parts we got for Vincent's PC build, his first PC build, and we're gonna build it at home. So yeah, you're gonna see that later. We're gonna be building it, and then we're gonna show you the specs. And yeah, it's gonna be Vincent's new setup. He's currently playing on the PS4, so he's gonna have an upgrade. He's gonna be at least he's gonna have 120 FPS, but I'm pretty sure it could handle 144 FPS too. And I'm talking about Fortnite. Yeah, you guys know we're a Fortnite channel. But we've been here. How long have we been here so far? Probably about 20 minutes maybe.
Yeah, because
like we got here, we parked. There was parking like right in the entrance, but it was like a super tight parking. So we got in line, we got our phone set up for the texting, and then we came and moved parking to a better parking spot that's not so tight. So yeah, now we're directly in front of the store, just waiting. And Vincent wants to say something. Don't press button.
look,
What do you want to say?
my little kid.
Also, here, I'll show them. Vincent's playing his little game on his tablet.
Oh, and let me see what it's called. It's called
Let's do it, let's make a
animal something. War.
Go home.
Fire.
What are you missing exactly?
I think so.
Oh, his build.
Oh, his. Yeah, so we got everything we need for his build, except that they didn't have his SSD in stock, but we're gonna purchase a different one right now when we get in the store. And yeah, he's getting a Ryzen 7 build, AMD of course, gonna be lit. Oh, he has a 1050 Ti. YouTube quick update, we're still waiting at Micro Center. It's an hour and 30 minutes in since that first part of the video, and there's 94 people ahead of us, so we're gonna be here probably another hour maybe. I don't know, hope it's faster. So we're 2 hours and 30 minutes in. We're still in line. There's 25 more people ahead of us before we go in. Yeah, getting close.
I'm going to my taekwondo.
We just got out of the store. We have all the stuff back there. We have his case next to him and everything. It took forever. The whole thing up to now took, let's see if I can check. I can't check, but it's been like
We've been here since
almost
6,
4
no?
hours. Yes, yeah, we've been here since 6.
Yeah.
So it's been 4 hours since we got here. We finally got out. We're gonna go home, build his PC, get it going, eat. We have his monitor, we have everything. We even bought him a streaming cam and everything. It's gonna be sick. Yeah.
Okay, if you can't see it, okay, right.
I'm not hungry. You are, we can get
Okay, right here.
whatever you want back.
Yeah.
So we're gonna head home by Micro Center. The guy that helped us was really nice, so that's cool. Apart from waiting all that time, I guess their customer service really makes up for it. Alright, so we'll see you guys at home. got all the stuff here ready to start the build. Gotta walk through it. Got the Ryzen 7. You already know. That case. I actually built my wife's PC inside one of those cases. It came out really good. And some motherboard, some peripherals, SSD, RAM. Yeah. So the GPU is actually not the MSI GeForce 1660. It's actually a lower end model. It's a 4GB card. It's just this is a I replaced the box because it's my backup card. It's actually the MSI 1050 Ti. So it's a 4GB card in here and it's red. So yeah, that's gonna be different. So yeah, we'll skip forward. I'm gonna build this and we'll see how it turns out. So I ended up building a PC yesterday for Vincent, and when we got home and I was building it, I realized that I bought the wrong case. So what ended up happening, the board I bought for him and the CPU didn't fit in his case. So I ended up actually putting the CPU and the motherboard in my wife's computer. So she got an upgrade to a Ryzen 7, and then everything that was in her computer, which was a Ryzen 5 computer, I put it inside Vincent's computer. So let's go check out Vincent's setup right now. Here's Vincent playing his setup. So we got him a streaming webcam.
Here's X.
144 hertz monitor. There's his keyboard and mouse.
Oh wait, stand here, stand here, stand here.
And here's his PC.
Stand here.
It came out sick.
Stand right here.
Luckily,
Stand here.
what we had in my wife's computer fit perfectly inside this little case. I didn't realize I bought the tiny one until we got home, and I was like, man, this is kind of small. So yeah, it ended up working out. He's running Fortnite really good. Yeah.
It's fighting time, huh? Oh my god, it's August!
They killed me, dude.
What bots? I'm destroying everyone out here, huh? Oh my god, no, I could defeat them.
He hit a rip.
What a bot. I'm so good.